Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you had a great weekend. So today's video is about the best stocks which I think are a good bet to buy for the upcoming week of this 3rd December. You can say that 3rd week of the December and going forward for the 4th and 5th week also. So today's video is about having a one trade with the short-term target of around 14.46% and another stock which is having huge potential of around a target of 46%. So without wasting further time, let's get into the details. The first stock is Heritage Foods, which I think is a best bet to buy around 325 levels. I have also marked the buy level for your easy reference. You can see right at where my pointer is. This is the buy level of around 325. Although one thing I want to state over here that we are a little late to the party in this one. Like you can see on 2nd December, there was already an upthrust of plus 6.19% which occurred. So we are a little late to the party, but never mind. We will try to still capture it by having the best entry again at 325 with a stop loss below all of these, which is at around you can say 314 or 315, like as exactly it is 315 as for me, and I am expecting a target to reach it around 371. Even if it crosses 350, that is also good, but I am expecting it to reach 372 provided the market is behaving correctly. Also, one thing, the Heritage Foods is having very good fundamentals, and there also has been funds activity being increased in some past days as well. So, this was the first idea. And this is a daily chart. If I tell you this is a daily chart, you can see it where my mouse is the stating as 1 day, and W stands for a week and M stands for a month. Now let's talk about the second idea, which is Gokul Refoils. Yeah, so about this Gokul Refoils, this is a idea which is a little long term. I think it may take around 1 to 3 months to being executed, to execute it fully. I'm not sure quite about the time frame, but I'm absolutely sure that yeah, it is going to take a longer time than the heritage foods. So yeah, let's get into the details. What I think about the Gokul Refoil is it is also a best stock to buy it around 28 levels. Why 28 levels? Like for this we need to go to the monthly charts. Let's get to the monthly. Yeah, and you can see this is the life history of this chart. Earlier, the stock has taken quite a beating, but this has been 2011-13, so let's not get into those details. We can see that from 2019, it has been a great uptrend, and from where I see, it's a very good stock to buy right at the bottom. Like you can see over here, I have placed the best price to buy as 28. So where's 28 on the charts? Let me mark it for your easy referencing. Yeah, might be 1 or 2 points here and there, so please forgive me for that. This blue line indicates that yeah, this is the buy level where I exactly want to buy this price. You can see right at the bottom of all of this stuff which occurred. I want to buy right at the bottom of this where like you can see these wicks, first wick, second wick and the third wick. I want to buy right at the bottom of all these three wicks. Talking about stop loss, I will be having a stop loss of 26.3, which is you can say just below the low of all of these. You can say at right around this below the wick of this red candle, which is 26.3. Yeah, even if someone has some huge capital or is agree to take a little bit more risk, I think that the best stop loss would be 25.6. Can keep it if you want, but I don't suggest it because yeah, there are a lot of stocks which do comes with these kind of opportunities. So yeah, let's not get over aggressive and let's have a stop loss of around 26.3, and I expect the stock to go back up again right at the levels of 41. Where's 41? Even here is the 41 right over here. Let me also mark it at the top of all of these. This is a monthly chart for a easy referencing, so it might take time to build. Yeah. So about the targets, this is the 41 level, but I also see if the stock is performing well, which I think it should. And if 41 is breached and the stock is performing consistently along with the Nifty 50 markets, it has the potential to even reach up to these 47, 48 levels. Let's see and hope for the best. Like you can see in a weekly chart, you can see it much more easy. See these big volumes, first, second, and third one. And if you talk about the red candles, you can see there all the volumes are comparatively smaller than the green candles. Just there, this one candle having huge red volume, and apart from it, it's all buy volumes. So I want to buy it right around here with a stop loss of these levels around 26.3, right? And with a target of around these levels of 41 or 42, and can keep it further for around 47 or 48 targets. Also, let me show you a little bit of fundamentals, like how I do check and how you can see the fundamentals for these stocks. I see Money Control as a good site for checking the fundamentals. I have already opened the Money Control website and just typed the name Gokul in this field, Gokul Refoils, and this is the screen which I am going to now tell you about. Like you can see in fundamentals, it's a great site to check news. If we see about the news in this Gokul Refoils, you see all the news is absolutely green. Net sales at 779.41 crore, up 12.67 year on year. See, this was 15th November news, and this is 8th August news. Again, net sales up. This is 26th May news. Again, net sales up. Net sales up. 26th May, Feb 8. Again, net sales up. So that's why all good news. If you can see, now let's get back and see some financials of this stock. You can see revenue is also increasing. Like if we see about the income statement, right, you can see the sales generally fluctuates over the quarter, but on a yearly basis it's very good. And on a net profit, it is a consistent net profit company, so that's what helps the stock to boost further up. Also, if we talk about annual financials, you can see 1900, 2100, around there has been a good spike in sales as well. And if you talk about the EBIT is also spiked up from 46 to 54 in the last year, and even the net profit is also spiked from around 12, 19, 20, and 26. So a very good company all in all from the fundamental point of view as well. I do not especially recommend buying stocks only on the basis of fundamentals. So we should also be technically aligned, though there are a lot of things to do from the technical point of view. I do try to restrict to the best as per my knowledge and experience till now. So yeah, that's it from my side. You can similarly see the fundamentals of the heritage if you want. Like I can show you, just you can see the revenues have been consistent of around 24, 2600, even increased from the previous year from 24 to 2600. If we go about the net profits are generally also, sales is just consistent. If we talk about net profits, just net profit is quite hyped up from the previous quarters. Like you can see 14 and 9 net profits in the previous quarters, and from the current quarter, that is September, which just ended, is having a net profit of 21. These figures are all in crores, if I'm not wrong, but please recheck. Yeah, right, it's all in crores. So yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you for watching, and if you find the content interesting and some value, please do feel free to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. See you until next time. Bye.